Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of videos automatically playing on Facebook and wasting your mobile data, or just distracting you while scrolling, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to turn off autoplay videos on the Facebook app for Android. It's a quick fix, and once you change this setting, Facebook will stop playing videos on its own. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now tap the settings icon at the top of the menu page. Scroll down until you find the media section, then tap on Media. Under the Autoplay section, select Never Autoplay Videos. And that's it. From now on, videos will no longer play automatically when you're scrolling through your feed. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.